Good morning. It's Monday, April 20th, and I wanted to touch base with you real quick about what this week is going to entail. So, if you look at this screen, you'll see that today you do not have a DOL assignment. And to be honest, you don't have a DOL assignment because I completely forgot to make one last night. So, you're welcome. You will have a Flipgrid video that I'm going to post later this afternoon, probably right after lunch. I'm going to post a Flipgrid video. So sometime today or tomorrow morning, make sure you get that Flipgrid done. It's just going to be about the end of the book, your thoughts on how the book ended. So um, be on the lookout for that assignment. It'll be posted today. It'll be due tomorrow. And then on Tuesday, you'll see you will have a DOL, and you will just have another form to sign up for a small group chat. This will be just like it has been. I'm going to give the form. You sign up for a time. You show up to the discussion. And then Wednesday, DOL, we'll have our discussions. We're going to do them on Wednesday instead of Tuesday because my husband's in meetings on Zoom all day Tuesday, and my house is like literal chaos, which some of your groups witnessed that last week. So instead of having our Zoom session on Tuesday, we'll do it on Wednesday this week. Okay, and then Thursday, I'm going to introduce you to your Fahrenheit 451 project. So at this point, you are finished with the book. If you are not finished with the book, make sure that you are finished with the book today because that's what your Flipgrid video is about. So we will, I'll give you a project that you're going to work on, and that's what you'll work on all next week. And then Friday, I don't know if you realize this, but Friday is a teacher in service, really a teacher out service this time, but either way, you don't have school. So you'll have the day off on Friday. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, be on the lookout for the Flipgrid video today and the Zoom session sign up tomorrow. Okay, enjoy the sunshine. I hope you're doing well, and we'll see you soon.